smell your fear. It's sweet. You tried to hide it, but it leaks out of you. Drip, drip, drip. I'll be right behind your eyes when you close them.
No! Stay back!
When we first screened the footage, I was deeply disturbed.
Bro, look at it. Wow. Incredible. Bro, don't even do that. What the fuck was that? Bro, what?
We always look at the evidence. There's always something that can give us clues about what's going on. That wasn't the case here.
Ryan! Hello! Where are you? Where the hell are you? What the fuck? Ryan! Where the fuck did you go?
The atrocities that were committed back then are unforgivable. Patients were dehumanized, turned into abominations.
Hey, bro. You good? What the fuck? What the fuck? Where did it go?
Back then, nobody asked any questions about the goings-on in these types of institutions. People went in and they were never heard from again. They could all very well still be there to this day.
Please answer me! Ryan, come on, man! Ryan, come on, man!
Dean was always adventurous. Not afraid of anything.
Always the bravest kid I knew.